What happens when you have people unsubscribing to your email list? Is this a bad thing? Absolutely not. Everything is about mindset. Everything is about how you're going to look at it. If people are unsubscribing from your email list, one, you could have really horrible content, but you attracted them somehow. So it's not most likely your content. It's the fact that they're just not your right audience. They're not the person that's going to buy anything from you ever. Let's say you have 50 people that have subscribed, but only 15 of those people, they actually want the product that you're interested in. They're just not ready to buy it yet. You will keep sending them emails. They'll learn to trust you more. What about the other 35 people that subscribed and now they're going to unsubscribe? Those people were never going to buy from you. You attracted them one time, they figured out, you know what, this isn't for me, and they unsubscribe. It's actually a benefit to you because when somebody unsubscribes, you can remove them from your list. They're no longer your clientele. Now you have 15 really good potential clients.